Today on
Let me get
Ford
this
on
out of our way
Fours.
real quick, y'all. Hey, what we got today? So forgive us. Gonna put some plugs in. Let me get this out of our way real quick, y'all. Well, see, it's called gravity. Y'all hang on one second. All right, it's out of my way. We got some Permatex anti-seize. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's focus. There you go. Permatex anti-seize. We're gonna run on these plugs. Plugs we're using are the standard AC Delco R45 TSs. I'm gonna gap these real quick, and we're gonna start attacking these things here, getting them in. Y'all hang tight one second. All right, so these are RS. What I do is I put a little thermotex on these, just a hair too, not much, just a little bit. Show y'all real quick, and I'm gonna do them and go. So put this on here like such. You straight? You got everything, bro?
Yeah, bro. I think I did bring the Boston.
Oh shit!
Oh, it's.
We got
Yep.
it. All right, Phil. See, that's my friend Milton. See, he helped me last week on this. I helped him on the tire just now. So that's what friends. That's what friends are for. The good. Should I stop singing? Should I stop? Should I? I don't care. I sound good to me, y'all. See what y'all think? Man, I'm not so keen with Chevy. All right, let's see what we got. Oh man, he's in a tight spot back here, y'all. Oh man, really don't. That boy's in a tight spot back here, y'all. There we go. There it is. Oh, it's screwing by hand. Fairly easy, y'all. Just need to snug it up, yo. All right. All right. That's one. Let me knock the rest of them out. Be right back with y'all. All right, y'all. We got to change the plan. I'm not gonna do that yet because I still got to get my stupid behind. I got to put the training mount on the back of the motor yet. So what I'm gonna do first is let me tackle this up here and see if this mount I have for the car works. So let's go with that, fellas. Okay, and fellas, if any fellas are watching, pull this out here. See how this works. So spent too much time today, y'all, on getting the toolbox mounted to the trailer. Ran out of daylight and all that jazz. So we have a 2 inch mount here. This is a nice kit. Amazon, $13. Aluminum. I wish it was plastic to stop the heat transfer. All right, let's get this tape off here. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, look at it. It's so beautiful down in there. All right, y'all. Let's get this off of here. What's that tape everywhere? All right. Tell you what, for $15 or $13, man, this has got a nice heavy duty thick gaskets come with it. I'll put the link in the description if I remember it. You nasty mother, you nasty mother. Shit. Okay, well, let me see here. That works if I put the right one in the right one, y'all. Wouldn't y'all say so? And I dropped one on the ground because I got to drop it, so I think my fingers ain't as nimble, y'all, as it used to be. Come on with it, baby. Come on with it. Let me get the fourth one. I drop. Oh man, my mic's in the way. Y'all hang on, I gotta readjust this mic. Okay. Where's it at? Oh, here it is out here. Jesus Lord have mercy. Oh my God. Okay. Whew, whew. Getting old, y'all. Getting freaking old. Getting freaking old. All right. That is nicely. That is even nicer. This thing had a lip. I like this lip though. With that kind of shit up front. Be pronounced a little bit. You don't even have to drill these out, yo. We won't be so mad if I have to drill this out, y'all. Come on, come on, come on here. Damn, there we go. Yeah, golly. All right. I like that, y'all. I like this. All right, let's get these brushes on there in real time. Let's get these nuts. Let's get the nut. All right. I'll just set them up for now because I ain't got nothing else. I really got no. I need another car bolt set for the car. But I might have some threaded stock I can cut and trim in there. 'Cause that looks like a coarse thread up top. What y'all think? That look okay? That look okay, y'all? Hey, darn sure it's okay to me. My house. All right, let's see. Let me see if I got threaded stock, y'all. I got some that was fit. If I do, if I still got a piece left over from Ruckus. Guess what? Oh, damn. Another one piece. Shit, this might be too big, y'all. Oh my God, y'all. I could have swore I had more. Let's see. I would like to put a bolt in that joker. Oh, look. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. All right, let me mark this up real quick. Y'all hang tight. I'm going to grab this carburetor. Okie dokie. Smoky pokey. Here we got a Holly 750 double pump. All right, let's see. It's quite heavy, by the way. Let's set this up here and see if we can just get a ID, a look see. how much stud I'm gonna need, 'cause I might have to trim that stud. 2, 3. I might be able to squeeze 4 out of here, y'all. Might be able to squeeze 4 of them out of there. Okie dokie. So let me cut this. Might cut this in 4 increments. But let me see if I got short bolts. I would love to get just bolts to go in it. That would be nicer for me. But let me check this and see this threaded stock if I can cut it. Hang tight 1 second. All right, y'all. Let's see. I don't know. It's kind of thick. I don't know if it'll make it down there with a washer. Those are the right size, though. All right, let's see what we got, yo. See what we got. We got these little 3/4 inch washers. Bolts, I'm sorry. Let's see if it's the right size. They look like the same thread size. Oh, suck it. I think so, yo. It's in there. It's kind of. I don't like the way that's wedged right there, though, yo. Y'all, I don't like the way that's wedged. Let's see. I don't like the way that's wedged either, yo. I think it's called a gas. Oh, yeah, that's it's turning. It's turning, y'all. I don't know, y'all. Might have to do some carb reaming. Might have to do some reaming of the carburation to get it to work. I'd rather have the bolts. I like the studs, but sometimes, Now, if they made this mount where both holes weren't threaded, it'd be perfect. Let me do a couple of little remedialization on that. Hang tight. All right, we black. We black. Let's see what we got. A little reaming of the holes. She asked for a little reamer. I said, okay. Give it to you, baby. All right, we looking good. Looking good, though. Looking good right there. Let's see what's over here. All right, accelerate the phone down. I like that better. All right, let's see what we got back in the break room here now. Oh, come on. Butt in there. All right. Started the finger, so I guess it's what makes the studs good. But okay, see what size that is, y'all. It's a 14 and a half. I don't have a half right here. It ain't tight. Coming up with it. All right, y'all. Let's see again. I believe. Oh shit. There it is over there. What's wrong way? Well, it seems like it turns so much easier with the. Oh, look at. Would you just look at it? Look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. Right. Beautiful. All right, y'all. Think about that. Carbs on. I like the look. I don't know. Let's see. Not too bad. Not too bad for a boat fit though. I mean, it's a Chevy, so no, but I like Chevy too. I just love Ford. There's a difference, but yeah, not too bad, y'all. Now I got the tackle underneath because I don't know the room here I got for the headers to be here, so I don't know. Got the same issue over here too. So same issue over here. Well, we'll see. Then I got to fix this power steering bracket. That's just on there right now. Just bolted the whole phone. I got like nuts and bolts, and it's just like rigged up. So, all right, let me tackle up underneath. Got the carb on. I'll get all that stuff figured out and dialed in later.